There's a whole lot of love waiting to be exposed. Christmas is on. Carols and jingle bells are calling us home. Please don't leave us waiting any longer, 'cause the wait has already been way too long. Oh, what a joy the world can be. Oh, what a joy Christmas is. Ho, ho, ho. And there are lights that are shining so bright, they are guiding my way to my wildest dreams. No one knows what we're in for tonight, except pleasure and joy, and a few Christmas gifts. Oh, what a joy the world can be. What a joy Christmas is. Ho, ho, ho. And there's a word that everyone must cherish, word that can help us in every way. Three-letter word that builds up and carries us. Joy.